Welcome to the Daily Message. As I mentioned yesterday, throughout the season of Lent, I'm going to be offering for your reflection the series of meditations and reflections that are offered by Creighton University. Today's meditation and reflection deal with the discipline of Lent. And I just want to remind you briefly of the reason why we're asked to fast and to pray and to give alms during this season of Lent. These disciplines are enjoined upon us not so that we can feel better about ourselves, although that's fine. Their primary purpose is to make us more aware and deepen our commitment to God alone, the God who provides us our food, the God who gives us our body, mind, and spirit so that we can pray, the God who gives us our resources so that we can share them with all of God's children. I hope you enjoy today's meditation and reflection.